Hey everybody, so the film's going really well. We were about to shoot the last one anytime now, but we're in post-production with the others. It's looking great. Can't wait to share them with you. But for those of you who sort of like just want to see some content on the channel, I actually went back to France to the Cannes Film Festival this year. I went there with Kyllian, who you might remember from the China trip. And yeah, look, this is the official Cannes Short Film Corner catalog, right? And there you go. There you go, mugged. Official Short Film Corner catalog. There it is. I know it's like really late to be posting this. Was it like 6 months after it happened? But hey, you know, you can prepare for next year's one maybe. So anyways, enjoy. Look, it needs to, hold on. Okay, there you go.
What's happening, Yaku?
We're going to France! Yeah! We're going to France!
Escalada. That means I'm rock climbing. Okay, I am now in Amsterdam with a white man.
Wait, what?
Nothing. We are going down the escalators to the train.
The electric stairs?
The electric stairs, as they call it here. We have about like 10 minutes of exploring to do before we have to catch the next flight. We hope you're on the right train.
I think we're on the right train.
We don't know if you're on the right train.
We bought tickets, but then we didn't know if we were on the right train, and then we didn't use the ticket for anything.
We did.
We just got on the train.
Yeah, we just got a train. We don't know which train it is. That's Amsterdam. That's a Yaku.
Hi.
Yeah, and we're gonna see how things go now.
It's a phone.
It's a phone. It's a station. It's a train station.
Kyllian, man.
Okay, hold on, dude. You need to figure out how to get back.
Because that thing says the train doesn't go back.
Doesn't go back.
Yeah, I'm slightly worried because that thing said something about the train not going back. So we're gonna go figure it out. Okay,
that thing said on the thing there also.
We're gonna figure it out. Kyllian just taking all the photos of all the cool things.
And this is Amsterdam that we're in currently.
Hell yeah!
A white man. They are native to this land. This is where Van Riebeck came from. Where half of my people came. Okay, so right now we're in what I would assume is Amsterdam Central. We got a bunch of old Dutch apartheid looking buildings that look beautiful. There's a tram. And yeah, just look how beautiful this place is. This is a dope. Yaku is trying to calibrate the drone, but he's underneath these cables, so the drone's not picking up the signal. So he's just walking around in circles.
Alright, so basically we just spent like 10 minutes trying to get the drone up and it wouldn't want to calibrate. So that was a waste. But now
we gotta see Amsterdam.
a little bit, sort of, kind of. I mean,
we're in Amsterdam right now.
Yeah, we are in Amsterdam. Central.
Breathing clean air. What's the train?
Alright, well now we have to find our way back to the airport for the train, I mean the plane.
Even talking. Get a plane to the airport. A plane station.
Plane station.
This is, look how dope is this train station. This train station looks like a Harry Potter house.
What's happening?
Ons kijken voor Schiphol Airport.
Schiphol.
Schiphol is daarin. Schiphol vat ons
Dat is
naar
waar.
de airport. Hierdie in ons kennis door ons gaan naar die Duitsland. Die kant. En ja, dankie voor jouw toekomst.
That's Kyllian. Yeah, that's Kyllian. Oh, wait, I should probably wait.
Centrum van 12:07 vertrekt van spoor 15.
Wait, what?
It's only coming at 12:30.
No,
It's only coming at 12.
12 is over.
Are you sure I'm going to be on this train yet?
No. What did she say? Alright, so we just got on a train and
We have,
I don't know if you're in frame. I don't know if any of us are.
we have no idea if you're on the right train or not. We need to get back to the
we literally
airport.
just ran through a train and asked the lady and she said yes, but go through that train door, and we were like, cool.
And boarding is like the next hour. So
Hey,
we're going the right way. The
direction.
train, the airport's that way, so
We're
that's a
good.
good thing.
We're good. Okay, never mind.
So yeah.
Good.
So this is the view from our apartment. L'appartement. Parlez-vous? This is our apartment in the French. This is our French tuvuvu. And you're me.
Okay, fine.
It's so French. Because think about it, like, I'd also want to speak French if I was in France because, like, it's named after your country. Ah, j'adore français. La caca, la Saint-Paul, la Messie du Brabant. This is la Home Affairs, la pharmacie, la chocolate snack, la brick and back. Hey, it's open. Let's go. Oh shit.
Hey, Kyllian.
Hey.
Look where we are.
We're at 2019 Cannes Film Festival.
Cannes Film Festival.
Cannes Film Festival. Gonna go get our accreditation right now. It's about 8 o'clock on the dot in the morning. Jaco hasn't had breakfast. I had some coca-poofs.
Cocoa Puffs.
box of Holland France.
Yes, that's exactly what it's called.
And I think I might have a cold as well.
Rim.
La Rime. What?
Well, you just said the cold, but that's okay. All right.
See you guys later.
Yo. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. I thought this was a picture, so I posed. But now I'm just a poser.
We are at the place.
Stop making me think it's pictures, man. That's not funny.
Okay, just assume I never take photos.
Ever in life.
Literally.
Where are we now, Jaco?
Okay, so we are just across from the tourism office and the Pelade Festival. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And then this was my favorite restaurant when I was here last time 2 years ago, but now it's closed. And literally, they had the like really fast free Wi-Fi, or not free. You had to technically you had to sit there and eat to get the Wi-Fi. But I did that like a few times, and then I got the password. And then we just sit on one of those benches, and like upload videos to YouTube.
waiting as celebs. We don't know which side we are on, if we're on the right or the wrong side. But I think on the right side because now they're making that like a tiny little oval that I don't think anyone can stand in. So this is the exact spot where last year I got a signature from Kirsten Stewart, Twilight Girl, and Gary Oldman, who touched my hand right there last year. So yeah, it's pretty awesome year. I mean, does my cap look better like this or like this?
Other way.
Other way. Like
Yeah.
this.
No. Front way.
No?
Yeah.
Like this.
There you go.
Yeah. It is now 30 minutes. No.
Oh, you're recording. Okay.
I told you. Assume I'm recording.
Okay.
It is now an hour later,
Yeah.
and there's still
already,
nothing.
It is very cold. My hand is ice cold right now. And,
But there's smoke behind us. So it's very cinematic.
And,
It's very
security's
cinematic.
looking at us like we're taking a picture, but we're not, because right in front of us, like is where the screenings are happening. Show them where they're taking the pictures of the celebrities over there.
There you go.
Yeah, that's where they're taking that. And so right in front of us here, like literally where the Australians, you can see like the gold carpet that's on the floor. And that's where they're going to come past and we're going to try and get some autographs and take some pictures. Even though we also have a film here, we also important, we also directors, writers and producers. So, but we love people. This is our...
I'm sorry I'm so tired in this. I will be better. Kyllian is pretty good. Watch Kyllian.
This is how I'm going to vlog from now on because this is my good side. So I'll talk to you like this. I'm actually looking at you guys. So there's no one there.
Alright, let's cut it now. Oh, it's raining. It's starting.
It's starting.
It's starting to come out.
The problem is it's raining right now, really finally. So I think they might just rush and past all of this. And I don't think anyone's going to want to sign in the rain. Which I understand completely. And
that's
I'm just
okay.
grateful to be here.
That's the safe answer.
Selena! South Africa loves you, Selena! South Africa loves you! That's Selena Gomez walking right there.
Oh, that's Jim Jarmusch, dude. That's Jim. No, that's like. Would you
South Africa loves you, Mr. Murray.
That's
South Africa loves you, Mr. Joe.
Jarmusch.
We carry on with the South Africa loves you.
Kyllian, watch out. People are gonna bump you.
Tilda Swinton. South Africa loves you, Tilda.
Louder. Dudes.
Good, how?
Call her.
That's Tilda Swinton.
Right there. Proper rain. You can see it on our jackets now.
No
Rain.
one signing my thing.
I messed up, guys. I'm sorry. I missed Adam Driver. He walked. I'm sorry. Lauren? I promise. He was like that. Sorry, it's raining. He was like, Kyllian.
I just screamed to Adam Driver, you beautiful man, out of nowhere.
And I didn't record it.
Why would I scream that? I just screamed Adam Driver, you beautiful man.
Dude, I honestly, I was just standing here like,
And Yaku, I turned to Yaku, and I'm like, you must have got all of that. And now we just look like we're lying.
we're in McDonald's. This is a burger called The Signature.
I just got a beer with my food.
Kyllian
Heineken for my depression.
has some alcohol. Dude, I honestly don't know what just happened. Like, Bill Murray. And I was literally standing there like,
That's an understatement.
I can't even reenact. I couldn't even remember his name, but I was like,
I don't know what I have right now. I'm really upset. But
I'm not okay, guys. I'm sorry. I failed everybody. I'm sure I don't know most of you. But I have failed you. I'm sorry.